Welcome to this private oasis in the Pines. Enjoy this beautiful custom kitchen fit for any chef. After a long day outside, enjoy warming up to the indoor fireplace or taking a dip in the heated pool or a soak in the hot tub. This property boasts a main house, 2 additional homes, a detached garage, workshop, 4 RV hookups, and too many outbuildings to list. This sprawling 320-acre property has an extensive trail system throughout and borders Crown land. I'm Julie Friesen, and I look forward to bringing your dreams home.